So in this video guys, we will do an unboxing again, a package from Shein guys. So hi guys.
Guys,
So guys, welcome to my channel, Giza Rodriguez channel. Have fun.
hi guys, looking football.
Hi guys, welcome again here on my channel. And guys, we received a package from Shein guys. So today guys, we will do an unboxing again guys. 21 items to siya guys. So let's start the unboxing guys. Charan! Oh, nahulog. So guys, I noisy. So, ang first guys ay ito. Siya. Charan. So, i-open natin siya guys. Shein. First item. Oh. Oh. So big. It's so big.
It's good.
But so big, I think.
It's okay.
Nice charan. A black skirt. So, next. Oh, I think it's big. This is for Jera. A baby bra. Oh, it's big mo love. Because it's only one size.
It's really big.
Tiny wall.
Okay, next.
But it's really big. For 10 years old. 9 years old. So we will wait. He will come in big guys. Next is Charan. So sale to siya guys. From 700 something to 400. So it's like half, nearly half there. Charan. It's again skirt. Again, big malab.
It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, Charan. It's nice. Only need an ironing. And the fourth. So maybe this is mine too. Fourth items. It's a short, guys. Here's half. Oh. Oh.
Wow.
Wow, red. But I hope it's fit. It's fit. And fifth is it's a crop top. It's nice guys. But yeah, I hope it's fit. We'll see later. 6. This is the another crop top. So I want to try this.
Oh,
But it's so tiny.
mm-hmm.
But it's a nice cotton. So yeah, we'll see later again. 6 items done. On the 7th, oh, another crop top. 6 items done. On the 7th, oh, another crop top. Another red. But it's the medium. So yes, it's a plain red. The other has a heart design, guys. Charan. I hope it's fit. So next is this is the 8th. Another baby bra for Jera. Hope it's fit too. The first one is more big. It's so big for her, but this one maybe not. This is white, pink, and yellow items. And the next, so big, I think. A shirt, yellow shirt. A yellow shirt, guys. Sale din to siya, guys, from 400 something and already only 190. But it's too big.
It's for who? Okay.
But it's sale, my love. It's a big sale.
It's big.
That nice is future.
Yeah.
Look forward. Future is in your hands. It's nice. Okay. But it's nice too.
Yeah, it's nice.
So yeah, guys. I hope it's fit too. I think it's too big. Yeah. And the tent. This is the shirt. A nice shirt. 10th items. It's like a. It's nice too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's nice.
it's nice. So I hope it's fit too. That's the 11th. This is mine too. Another crop top. Charan! Wow, my favorite. I love.
Yeah.
So yeah, for sure it's fit. It's the color of the white I already had. Only 12 items done. So 13. This is for Jesus. That can have two, I hope. Turn. It's cute. This is sale too. It's nice. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's only for Jesus. This
Oh, zero.
Jesus.
Oh.
Jesus. I think it's fit. It's a good fit. It's a sale too, my love.
Mm-hmm.
I'm good in sales.
Mm-hmm.
And the total is not sale. So the next is this. It's a sale dress, guys. Sunflower, I think. So I hope it's fit. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh, wow. Wow.
No.
Oh, am I noisy?
No, it's
This is for the hair. I need a spare. I only have one. A hair dryer. Hair towel dry. So I ordered this. It's only 90 something. Hoy. Only 90, guys. I need a spare. Oh, it's a nice too. Wow. It's like a hair towel. A hair towel. Oh, another. Oh my god, it's so small. I thought it's for the. I ordered this for Rose, for Juliet, and for Mama.
Okay.
So I ordered 4. It's like a cell phone sling bag. Only for 100 peso, guys. We will open one. Ganda to siya. I think it's fit. I hope it's fit for my phone. Sling bag to siya, guys. For the phone, it's like a wallet sling bag. For a small wallet. Oh, nice. So yeah, it's a set for. I like this. This is mine. So I ordered 4 pieces for my sister and my mom. So I ordered this for our Jera. And it's only cheap too. It's 500 pieces, I think. Yeah, 500 pieces. It's nice. Shein. And a bracelet. It's a nice bracelet too. 3 pieces, I think. Yeah, 6 pieces all. And nearly finished. I ordered this to the Ruska earring lock. 300 pieces siya, guys. And then this one for the toothbrush. It's only this is 2 pieces. Yeah, it's a nice, it's cute. So that's why I ordered. This is a photo for the wall. It's like 10 pesos. It's so soon finish. So this is a mask, like a necklace for the mask. And that's all. This is for the cover, bottle cover for the oil, for our oil. We need it really, guys. Oh, shy. It's cute. So yeah. And next, so this is the last. This is free, guys. It's a gift from Shein. It's a big one. Yeah. This is only free. I received it. Thank you, Shein. Yeah. It's cute. But it's big. It's real nice. It's something for traveling. Wow. So yeah, that's all, guys. My god. There are so many. Extra 10% off for orders. Cover over $9.9. Oh. Oh. Thank you. That's all, guys. Yun lang ang lahat ng order, guys. So it's finished. No more inside. Yes. So yan lamang, guys, ang aking unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching. So later we will try it if it all fits. So that's all. I hope you enjoy watching. And that's all the unboxing. Bye bye.